What's going on, everybody? This is Chris with FEG. Today we're going to go over how to find the dispenser test tool for a Technique or any Embed kiosk dispenser. First things first, we're going to have to close this program. A little shortcut for you if you're using a keyboard is to press X. It will take you to the login screen. Type in your password and exit the program. Necessary step because serial ports cannot communicate on more than one line. Okay, so Brian down here in Grapevine has his dispenser test tool already on the desktop, but if you do not, you're going to go into the File Explorer. You're going to go into the ECS7 folder. A lot of times it's in this quick access panel, but if it's not, you go into this PC, the C drive, program files x86, ECS7, Kiosk, and device test tools, Kiosk device test tools. Brian down here has a Technique dispenser, but there's other card dispensers test tools here as well. And if you have an Asahi, you don't need to do this because they never fail. Shout out Jay Smith. Okay, so when you open the dispenser test tool, you will get three options really. A read, vend, and outstack. This is kind of your main test tools. If a physical problem, you can vend it out. It just basically dispenses the card. Read, it will take it to the mag head position and read and give you a number here. Hopefully it will let us do that now. Okay, and it gave us a good number and we can vend that card out. Sorry Brian for making a mess. If the dispenser does go into an error, you can reset it and understand what's going on, what produces that error. And if you can't get into this dispense test tool at all, if it comes up with unable to find dispenser, it's probably when I would start reseating connections, checking to see if everything's plugged in right. Because it does mean a communication issue. A lot of times that can mean a bad or failed dispenser board. So if you want to test the reliability of your dispenser, you can click on the repeat button. It basically just vends consistently. So you check the repeat, hit outstack. I'm not going to make a mess, so I'm not going to do this, but it will just come up with number after number, and you can see if it dispenses a card and no number comes up, it failed to read that card. Really gives you an insight on how reliable your Technique dispenser is. I would say a good rate of failure is probably 19 successful reads out of 20. Any less than that, I'd start to be concerned about the reliability of my dispenser, and I'd maybe start to open up a service request. Well, hope this helped you out. That's it for me.